going on, everybody? We are at Trenary Chevrolet in O'Fallon, Missouri, and we are going to show you how to connect your text-to-talk through Siri, so you can actually listen to your text messages through the speakers of the 2019 models. Go ahead and check out my other video that we did make of how to connect your phone to Apple CarPlay, and that'll kind of let you know how to get to this point. So let's go ahead and check it out. Once you do have the USB port connected to your phone and connected with Apple CarPlay, you'll hit your Messages tab. It'll let you know the option of do you want to compose a new message or listen to your message?
Want to hear unread messages or create a new one?
New message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Kyle Trenary.
What do you want to say?
Doing a test on Apple CarPlay, boss.
Your message to Kyle Trenary says doing a test on Apple CarPlay, boss. Ready to send it?
Yes, please send.
Okay, it's sent.
To check out this feature or any others that the 2019s come with, you can visit us in Union, Troy, or O'Fallon, Missouri, or go to our website, jimtrenary.com.